Hello everyone, this is Kevin Anthony from the Fab Lab here at Ball High School. And today we're going to talk about setting up a job to be ran on the OtherMill Desktop CNC mill. The CNC mill is a small desktop mill that can mill aluminum up to about a 1/2 inch thick, and its bed is 4 by 4 inches. So it's kind of small, but it's good for doing small parts like jewelry or keychains or little trinkets, that type of thing. So I'm in Fusion right here. And one thing to keep in mind when you're going to be designing stuff to be cut on the CNC or a laser cutter or other machines in the Fab Lab is that the preferred way is of orientation of the model is going to have the Z facing up, and the X side to side, left to right, right to left, and then the Y from the front to the back. This just helps because when you get to the machine, you don't have to try to change the origin to get the job to run right. So anyway, so we're going to create just a real simple shape. So when you create a job, out of habit, I've learned the hard way, I always just start on this plane right here on the bottom, because that's going to be the flat plane that the metal or whatever you're putting on is going to be on. And I'm just going to draw a real simple shape, choose circle, and I'm going to start at my point of origin right here in the middle so that we don't have any problems later. I'll make that 2 inches. I'll extrude that up. Just say we're going to cut this out of 1/4 inch aluminum 6061. If I hit E for extrude, I'm going to go up. I'm going to do 0.25, which is 1/4 inch. I hit OK. So now we have our little disc thing here. But let's just say if we wanted to have a little pocket, like an indentation inside of here to put a photo or something like that. So I'm going to do create, and I'm going to draw on top of this face right here. C for circle. I'm going to choose this origin here, and I'm going to just expand that out there to just say 1.5. OK. And now we have this image on top of here. I'm just going to choose that, and I'm going to extrude that down. So E for extrude. This time we're going to go not all the way through, but just down negative, let's see, 0.2. So that'll give us a floor on the bottom of that thing right there. So that's a little simple shape there. And basically, this could be a locket or some type of thing. But so now we have this simple shape here that's 1/4 inch, and we're going to send it over to. So we're going to cut this on the OtherMill. So we switch over to design space. We go to manufacturer. This is where we're going to tell the machine, the software, how to get this set up for the machine.